Bibo's flower garden. Bibo the bear loves flowers. He has a beautiful flower garden full of different flowers. He wants to make a beautiful bouquet of flowers with his friend Mino the monkey. Bibo looks at the big daisies, yellow in the middle with thin white petals. Mino looks at the carnations in pink and purple with frilly petals. Bibo sniffs the beautiful yellow and red roses. Bibo studies the yellow daffodils. Mino likes the smell of the violet lavender. They are about to pick the flowers. You should leave them out here for everyone to enjoy, says Sarah the sheep as she walks by. Immediately, Bibo takes out a camera from his pocket. You are right, Sarah. I won't pick flowers. I will just take beautiful pictures of them. The vegetable garden. Today, Bibo and his friends are visiting Aunt Bear's vegetable garden. They are very excited. What are these, Aunt Bear? Asked Mino. These are peas, Mino, replied Aunt Bear. And these? Asked Sarah. Cucumbers. They are very healthy for you, says Aunt Bear. Oh, and what is this? Asked Polo excitedly. That's a pumpkin. It's delicious, replies Aunt Bear. Can we eat right now, Aunt Bear? Asked Bibo eagerly. They are not ripe yet, my dear, she replies. Bibo is feeling impatient. He can't wait to taste the pumpkin. I'll just take one bite. He grabs pumpkin and takes in with his teeth. Crack! Oh, that's not ripe yet, he says. Bibo has broken his tooth. Aunt Bear chuckles and says, patience goes a long way, Bibo, but for now I have a pumpkin pie in the kitchen for you.